Let me show you how to solve this mapping question. We are asked to find the rule of the mapping. X is to Y, 1 is to 5, 2 is to 8, 3 is to 11, 4 is to 14, 5 is to 17. Solution. To solve this, we are going to try to see whether this is a linear mapping or exponential mapping. So, look at something here. You see, we have X is to Y, 1 is to 5. Our focus here will be on the Y values, which is 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. Right. From 5, you can see they added 3 to 5 to get 8. From 8 to 11, they also added 3 to 8 to get 11. From 11 to 14, they also added 3 to get 14. From 14 to 17, they also added 3 to get 17, right? Since we have a constant number of 3 here, we can say this mapping is a what? A linear mapping. And the formula for finding the rule for linear mapping is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to the slope or the gradient. This c here means a constant number, right? Y is equal to mx plus c, right? Now we are going to find the m first. The m, which is the slope, is equal to either y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 all over x1 minus x2, right? Either this or this. M is equal to y2 will be the second number for y, which is 8, minus y1, which is 5, over s2 will be 2, minus 1. So we have 8 minus 5 is 3, over 1, which is equal to 3. So our m is equal to 3. Right, then we fix in this 3 into the formula. So we have y is equal to mx plus c, right? So we have y is equal to, our m is 3, so 3x plus c, right? Now, to find c, what we are going to do here is to put y and x value into this new formula to get c. So we can say put y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 1 into this formula. So we have 5 is equal to 3 times 1 plus c, right? So we have 5 minus 3 is equal to c. Now we have 2 is equal to c, which is c is equal to 2, right? We have the formula to be y is equal to 3x plus c, right? And now our c is equal to 2. So just put in back the value of c. So we have y is equal to 3x plus 2 as our rule for this mapping. To check that your answer is correct, now we have the rule for the mapping to be y is equal to 3x plus 2, right? Put x values into this formula to see whether we are going to get the y values here, right? So when x is equal to 1, it will be 3, 1, 3 plus 2, which is 5, right? When x is equal to 2, 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. When x is equal to 3, 3, 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. When x is equal to 4, 3, 4, 12 plus 2, 14. When x is equal to 5, 3, 5, 15 plus 2, 17, which is here. So now we can say the rule for the mapping is 3x plus 2